Okay, so you've got your dot plot. Now you need to get a normal distribution. In order to get a normal distribution, you need the mean. So what I'm going to do, again, my data is all up here. You're going to type the mean of, I can type there, your data. That calculates the mean. So the middle, or the average is 74,000 for me. And the standard deviation, and that is STDEVP. If you don't include the P, it will still accept it as a command, but P is the one that we need to use for the sake of our data. And so my mean is 74,000. My standard deviation is about 13,000. And so then you need to tell it you want a normal distribution. So we're going to type normal dist. And then notice it asks for mean, comma, and then standard deviation. So the mean is going to be 74,113. And the standard deviation is going to be 13,008. And it's showing up. And so let me make this, I'm going to make it blue. You can see this like straight flat line here. The reason that it is so tiny is that there is actually a curve there. It's just I'm so far zoomed out that I can't see the curve. So what I need to do is change my y-axis, and I need to zoom in and just kind of like stretch out this way. So the one that I kind of default to is negative 0.0 to 0.4. That is not going to work for me here because I'm so far out. But you guys might try that one first for yourselves. I'm going to try with maybe 2 zeros in front of each of these and see if that's working. And you can see, okay, there's tiny little curve there. Okay, so let's go 3 zeros. We might have to go 4. Yep. And then voila, now I can kind of see my actual normal distribution curve. So now I've got my curve. That should work for me. I can start finding cumulative probability. Say like, okay, if my maximum salary was 50,000, that's 3% of my data kind of stuff. But that will actually give you your normal curve so you can get a screenshot to include in your paper. Let me know what questions you have.